My name is Anya, and today I really want to make some cinnamon roll cookies. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with a cup of flour, add in a pinch of salt and a quarter teaspoon baking soda. Mix and set aside. Mix together 4 tablespoons of butter and a third cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add in the flour mixture and mix until a dough forms. In a bowl with a half a cup of brown sugar, add in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Mix until well combined. Press your dough out into a square. Brush on the beaten egg. And sprinkle with cinnamon sugar. Roll up and place in the freezer for 20 minutes. Cut into discs and place on a baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. To a half a cup of icing sugar, gradually add in 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix until smooth. Pour your icing over your cooled cinnamon roll cookies. And enjoy some cinnamon roll cookies.